Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about the Vogu. This is one of the leading NFT and has got a lot of potential to become one of the biggest in the industry. In today's video, I'm going to go in great detail. I'm going to give you the breakdown of why this particular NFT has got the potential to actually grow and become a massive NFT in the industry, and who are the people behind it and why this is an NFT everyone is talking about. So without further ado, let's start. The re-imaging of Vogue, the digital art storytelling, and obviously it's available on OpenSea as well. You can get it from there and you can shop at LooksRare as well. So what is the dynamics of it? They are a individual that have created content that includes art, animation, comics, fashions, NFTs, and with the help of their talented collaborators and community, they can produce immersive multimedia content experience all set within the shared sci-fi universe, and the projects that would include film and television. And that is one of the reasons why they're able to create this amazing NFT. And the artist himself, Jason, has 8 robot portraits served as the inspiration behind the entire Vogu project. To immortalize these 8 subjects, he has created the Council, a powerful 8-member shadow organization operating within the Vogueverse. Learn more about these characters and their respective NFTs by clicking learn more, and obviously it'll give you a breakdown of it, which we'll check in a second. But before I do that, I want to show you the reasons why this NFT is so sought out, and we can look at it from the NFT 101 beginner's guide. And there are 7,777 NFT collections in their first collection that's coming right now, which are unique robot avatars, and they also have a companion drop called the Mutts. Every holder of their initial collection is able to claim one of these for free, and the NFT entitle holders to an array of benefits, and that is one of the main elements that you need to look out for before you actually invest into an NFT. That what is the utility of getting that NFT? A lot of times, and a lot of NFTs are just pieces of art that don't give you anything back in return, but an NFT that can give you utility, passive income, is an NFT worth investing your time and money in. The Vogue team also has something else in the works for their latest oncoming releases and collaboration. You can follow them on the social media, and this is one of the main elements I bring out to every single individual, is that if you want to get up-to-date information about an NFT, you gotta join their Discord, because the Discord is the only place where you can get reliable information and up-to-date information about the NFT and the project itself. So let's check out their OpenSea, and on the OpenSea you'll see the collection that they have and the different NFTs that they are available. The Vogue collection has 7,800 items with 2,800 owners, with a floor price of 0.08 and a total volume trade of 8.3K. And if you scroll down, you'll see the different NFTs that are available, and you can clearly see the amount of passion that's gone into creating this NFT. The soul that the artist has actually put in each of the NFT is clearly visible, and having an NFT of this nature and developing a project with the strategy that they have, they're able to scale it, and that is the reason why it's become one of the most sought out NFT in the industry, because combining all the different elements together and giving it a utility that no other project tends to have, it is able to scale itself to new heights and give back to their community. And having these kind of elements in a project enables the project to be successful and scalable at the same time. The other thing which is very important that you need to understand is the fact that every single NFT has a lot of information, and each of the 8 main members are in the shadow councils tend to stand for something. So basically, looking at the council itself, these are individuals that have a lot of stake on it. From the Oren Julius, who's an elected member of the Gates, and this cyberpunk politician works the system from the inside and beyond. The Onyx, who's the underworld boss with a dark history, peculiar sense of humor, and one game-changing secret, actually enables a lot of things in the council. And the Ivory, who's the robot shaman with an unparalleled expertise in the field of robo-user synergy, who will guide you and your tar to a super conscious state. And every single member of the council brings something to the council, and obviously having these elements together, they're able to create something that is very unique. And looking at the Vogue council itself, it is a separate element that's available on OpenSea that you can get a hold of, and each member council is worth a lot of money. So basically, the Saxton is worth 69 Ethereum, and as I scroll down, each member is worth a lot of Ethereums, and that is one of the reasons why they kept it separate from the NFTs itself. And that is one of the reasons they've become as big as they are. And looking at their NFT 101 development of the actual NFT, there's a lot of things that they've answered. And some of the things I'm going to go over right now is the fact that the NFT is more than just a picture. And the NFT is actually something that gives utility to individuals. And there is a utility that can actually expand. And that is what I want to show you. And flexing your identity and social media persona is not for everyone. And that is what the NFT is over here. The technology and owning NFT is something that they can verify. It's positioning on the blockchains that makes the verification process secure and easy. And the utility would include discounts for your favorite brands, exclusive access to your favorite content, participation in rewards, and exclusive event invitations. And the environment, the way they've developed, is very good. They have kept a tokenomics for it that I've not seen till now. And there's a lot of negativity, they say, around the NFT, but obviously they are focusing on the environment impact of blockchain in general and the footprint that they're leaving. And obviously one of the reasons why the NFT has become so big is the fact that they have kept 72.9% for all the other energies, which include industrial, commercial, residential, transportation, including road and aviation and shipping. And this is the element that they have done where they're giving back to the community and keeping the community in check and giving back and developing in such a manner that they are playing a positive role in the industry, in society. That is one of the reasons why it has become so big. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message in the comment section below on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and I will reply back to you. If you want to speak to me directly and have any questions and guidance that you need, you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available on the About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. You can head over there, get my number, and drop me a message. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out about Vogu, the next best thing on the NFT space. Until my next video, take care.